Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Shocker, bro! Okay.
I have hair, hon. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. I want to try something different this time.
Okay.
Oh God, maybe I shouldn't. I was gonna face that way.
Oh, that's a good idea.
No, I shouldn't.
You're gonna go like Superman.
Yep.
Hang on. You ready?
I'm ready. Is it just me or it feels like it's getting further?
A little bit.
Halo for sale. Sledding, $5 a minute. $5 per one slide.
I tell you what, we can go out to Ski Round Top and take the tube.
Or we can just stay here. It's free.
Yeah, that's true.
You want me to push you down?
No, I'm good.
Okay. It's getting colder on the back of my thigh.
I'm sure it is, baby.
I want to try a different position.
That could benefit me too.
I'm going to try it this way.
Honey,
Oh God.
you have to... You ready?
I'm ready. I thought I was going to have my face down.
Oh my goodness.
It would have hurt. Okay, I'm done for now. The back of my thighs.